it is for the first time the ability to revert the aging process. And this really has generated a lot of excitement. So if I think about where we are today, after about 10 to 15 years of basic biology of aging, we're at an incredible time. And I think
Thank you. David, would you tell us more about that reprogramming? Sounds exciting.
Well, thanks, Dana, for having us here. And Eric, thanks for the great setup. Um, so yeah, I was asked what's the most exciting stuff, and I unfortunately had to say stuff that we're working on. But I truly believe that so Eric and I have been working in this field for over 20 years, epigenetics of aging. And what that means is it's the cell's control systems, how to turn on genes on and off. And we find that the changes over time can be used as a clock to determine how old we are biologically, but also we think this system and the clock as part of it control the aging process, not just in the forwards direction, but in reverse. And in my lab, we can drive aging very easily in the forwards and reverse direction in animals, and we're going to be starting human trials hopefully in the next couple of years. But the breakthrough is super exciting. We had a Nature paper in December that described the ability to put in 3 genes that are normally only turned on in embryos, that in the adult animal, this is now a mouse, we could cure blindness by making the eye much younger. And it's a permanent reset. In fact, we have the mice die old, but with very young eyes, with perfect eyesight. And that's just the eye. We're finding in the field, Eric and others are finding, that you can reprogram most tissues. In fact, I don't know of a tissue in an animal yet that cannot be reprogrammed and sent back 50, 75% in their age. And this is not just a temporary reset, this is a full reset. And you could imagine in the future, we have that ability to reset our bodies, not just once or twice, but perhaps dozens or hundreds of times.